When you're posting a new thread on Threads, you can add a location to it. In this video, we'll show you how to add a location to your Threads post. First, open the Threads app. At the bottom, you'll see a plus button. Tap on it. When you tap it, you'll see an option to create a new thread. You can type your text here or add photos or videos by tapping this button. Either way, if you want to add a location, here's how. You'll see a button like this. Tap it, and you'll find suggested locations. If your GPS is on, nearby locations will appear. Or, if you want to search for a specific place, tap Search Places and type in the location. For example, I'm searching for a place. Once you find it, tap the location, and it'll be added to your post. You'll see the location displayed here. Before posting, you'll notice an option below that says, "Anyone can reply and quote." This setting controls who can reply and quote your post. If it's set to anyone, everyone can respond. If it's set to profiles you follow, only people you follow can reply or quote. If it's set to mentioned only those you mention can reply or quote. After that, tap the post button. Once you do, your post will be shared. That's how you easily add a location to a Threads post. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.